citizen, there's comfort knowing that if you have a tanker rollover or you have a major incident, we can show up, we can set up a command post, we can have the technology that can get information as quick as possible to those that need it. We're there.
My goal was to take that vehicle, no matter what scenario we're in, whether it's a hazardous material situation, an active shooter, even just an investigation, criminal, fire, and be connected wirelessly so any agency could be in that vehicle and communicating. Last year, our vehicle got invited to Capital District Hazardous Materials team drill. The Albany County Sheriffs were flying the drone, and we wanted to mount our GoPros on some teams inside of their suits, and then the drones. We had to basically band-aid a wireless network. We had Apple TV, we had Ethernet, Wi-Fi brought inside of the building structure to get this feedback. It worked, but we knew there had to be a better way. It seemed so antiquated at the time, and so for this past year, we've actually been working with CDWG, trying to put what we've had in our head and our experience in technology-wise and put it in paper.
The vehicle is FEMA class. We're the first one in this area to have put this type of investment into this vehicle to make it what it is.
You're only as good as the information that you gather, and we like to utilize the Mobile Command Center as a central point of gathering all this information, and then we can disseminate the information to the local responders and the powers that be that need to make the command decisions in real time.
A smaller vehicle just didn't meet our needs. We've had several large incidents in the county, several hurricanes, several truck accidents. We needed a bigger vehicle that could house our dispatchers plus command staff so they can run an operation essentially from this vehicle.
And we came across the Mondo pads. That was the first part of the technology upgrade. To create an encrypted telecommunication, teleconferencing, along with some other Microsoft file sharing and writing, where the director of public safety could be in the vehicle, sign a document declaring an emergency, and wouldn't have to worry about having to come back down to their office or having to drive someplace to be able to sign it. Then the whole connection piece came after that. If we have a live camera on our vehicle, the 911 center should be able to see it live as well. This is a new high-definition telco camera, live feed and taping to our hard drive back there so we can pull whatever evidence we collect. If somebody's out in the remote field, we can email the video image to them too.
We use Ruckus switches and Cisco switches to provide those VLANs. Ruckus zone controller, we have Ruckus access points, servers running Microsoft Active Directory, and we have a Crestron system which allows us to toggle between the Mondo pads and different workstations so we can view what's going on.
Our goal this year is having backups, whether it's a server or a 48-port system or Ethernet cable or crimper. You know, that's the key to have self-sustainability, and we don't have to rely on anybody. It's right there.
We've worked closely with several law enforcement agencies, to include the U.S. Marshals and the local city police department, doing active shooter exercises with the vehicle. Every time we have a full staff in here just so we can tweak.
What's going to work today may not work tomorrow. I lived in Rensselaer County my whole entire life, and I've been in this job for 24 years now, and I saw this as an opportunity to make things a lot easier for people that I work with.